Welcome to the OJAR and Bang & Olufsen Immersive Sound Experience. Today, we invite you on a trip on the perfume road of Oman. Along the journey, you will be introduced to 3 fragrances from the OJAR perfume oils collection. A tribute to the Omani culture and perfume rituals. Before we start, let me introduce you to the Absolute perfume oil. The first bottle with a unique design, a double cap, a roll-on, and a glass stick all in one. Unscrew the top to use the roll-on. If you want to apply generously, unscrew the bottom part of the cap and use the glass stick. Close your eyes, step back, and enjoy the ride. We're starting the journey in the south of Oman, in Salalah, located in the Dhofar region, where you can find the world's best frankincense. Have you heard of the frankincense? This is dry sap from the trees that grows in the south of Oman. When dried, the sap is burned and becomes incense. Frankincense is actually the first source of inspiration of OJAR. The name comes from hojari, which is the best quality of that resin. Open the brown bottle, Route Nomad. Take the blotter and get a few drops on it. Smell it. Close your eyes. How do you feel? Route Nomad is a tribute to the frankincense harvester himself. The man cuts the tree and collects the sap. He carries that resin in a leather pouch. This fragrance is the fusion between the frankincense resin mixed in with the leather. A touch of green? Yes, this is vetiver, an earthy and woody scent. Let's continue our trip on the perfume road of Oman. We are now in Rustak, in the north, located in the western side of the Hajar Mountains. In these mountains remain only 2 families of beekeepers who harvest the honey in palm trunks. The wood scent permeates the honey, creating a unique flavor. Abdullah, an 80-year-old beekeeper, is surrounded by hundreds of bees. He opens the first layer of the hive. He extracts the gold liquid, the precious honey. Open the yellow bottle, Wadi Bloom. Take the blotter and get a few drops on it. Smell it. Close your eyes. Can you smell the combination between the honey and the flower? This fragrance is a tribute to the vintage scent of the soaps from the 80s. A very clean and cologne effect, remembering the watery feeling of the Omani Wadi. Do you taste the honey? Smell the lang, the tuberose, and the sheep. Our last stop is at Al Jabal Al Akhdar mountain, the valley famous for its roses. It's the rose harvest season in the Sultanate of Oman, a brief time when the roses emerge implausibly from the stony landscape, speckling the terraces in flashes of pink. The oil evaporating from the blooms bathes the valleys in its scent. Think of the soft texture of the rose, it falling between your fingers and delicately hitting the ground as Salim the harvester shuffles them around with the basket. Grab the third bottle, the red one. épine du désert, meaning thorn of the desert. After putting a few drops on the blotter, you will discover a modern interpretation of the mukhallat. Can you smell it? A blend of traditional Arabic perfume oils, roses, saffron, dry woods, jasmine, suede, and pimento. The OJAR collection of 18 fragrances has been created around the art of layering. You can combine as many scents as you desire. Be playful and find your signature. We are now at the end of our journey down the perfume road. We hope you enjoyed the experience across Oman with OJAR and Bang & Olufsen.